This is Gary Kay, and we're here at the Alamo E4 AV Tour here in Meadowlands, New Jersey, and I actually came to the Peerless booth to talk to the Peerless people. However, I stumbled upon somebody who's exhibiting in the Peerless booth, Steve Hastings from West Pond Technologies. We'll get to Peerless in a moment, is actually demonstrating something using Peerless's Pico product, right? Pico Air product, which is their high-definition wireless transmission system. So, Steve, if you don't mind explaining what we're looking at here, this is a little complicated, but I'd love for you to explain exactly what we're looking at.
Okay, so what we have here is the Peerless product. The Peerless product is the broadcast and transmitter side of this technology.
So that's just a plain old Pico Air product, right?
That's right, that's right. So the input to this is a transport stream. The transport stream
from a network.
From off of an Ethernet connection off of a network. And that transport stream could come out of a player like a bright sign player. They have the ability to generate a transport stream. And or it could come, they have a version of this box that actually has HDMI in, so you could go HDMI in.
Okay, so you could either plug a network into it from a signage player, or plug or connect up HDMI digitally directly to the box.
Correct. In the HDMI case, you get one program stream in your broadcast. If you use the Ethernet input, then you can use our product, which is the FlexStream multiplexer. And the multiplexer combines video streams from multiple players. So if you had 8 or 10 or 12 bright sign players, they output a transport stream that goes into this device. This device combines them all, makes them ATSC compatible, and then provides them to the Pico Air broadcaster so they can be transmitted to televisions.
So basically, if you don't mind showing that, so basically what's happening here is you're taking content that's either network-based or HDMI-based, converting it into basically a broadcast signal, and then what you do is you tune your television, if it has an ATSC tuner, right, an HD tuner, and you tune your television to like channel 49, and then if you have 6 channels, you're going to go 49.1, 49.2, 49.3, all the way to 49.6. So your content is actually sent wirelessly, RF, through the air, and you're receiving it through the ATSC tuner, correct?
Yeah, exactly. And what's important to note is it's not using shared Wi-Fi frequencies. This is using licensed spectrum.
This is RF that's available specifically for this purpose.
That's right.
So like in a stadium, this would be a good application for you to use CCTV, so you could see all the different camera angles that all the different cameras are showing while you're sitting in your seat in the boxes. You could show you could allow someone to select whatever camera they want to look at, even regardless of what's being fed to the broadcaster.
That's exactly how it works. And you can go 600 feet outside. So that's 600-foot radius, so you can cover 1,200 feet in diameter. So you could imagine a pretty good-sized stadium being lit up by one of these broadcasts.
And so how much does that FlexStream cost?
The FlexStream's $9.95, and you can get with it also receivers.
And the receivers would be used for TVs, so that if they don't have a wireless tuner built into them, for example, if you have a monitor without an ATSC input.
Exactly. And because we build these receivers, we can use H.264 compression instead of MPEG-2, which is ATSC compression.
So you're going to get higher quality video too, then.
Higher quality and more programs per broadcast.
More channels, so instead of 49.1, 2, and 3, 49.10.
Exactly.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, so to find out more information on you go to westpond.com, right? Did I get that right? And so this is an interesting solution for integrators to look at, and I don't think many people have thought about this, but for sports bar applications, for stadiums, arenas, convention center applications where you already have some infrastructure there, but not everything that you need for digital signage, for live broadcast, CCTV applications, perfect for this kind of thing. So check them out at westpond.com. Thanks, Steve.